guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm so excited to share this video with you today. This is the third episode of my home refresh series, and we are making over this space. And if you've been a part of my channel for a long time, or you just watch my cleaning videos, you know this space has just kind of been useless for us. We've had it as a gym, or we've just had it sitting there and no one used it. So I decided to go ahead and put this space to use by creating a home office. I will be sharing all of the decor and the furniture and all the fun stuff that we did pick up, and I will have links down below if you're interested in anything and you get some inspiration ideas and you want to go check them out. I'll have that down below. And without further ado, you guys, we're going to clean up this space and get started. So if you watched my last home refresh video and some of my cleaning videos, you had seen that I did use these Amazon basic curtain rods and these curtains from Amazon throughout my downstairs in my house. So that's what we are going to change out these curtains and get that fresh, clean look continued down in the downstairs. So the next thing we're going to do is build the office desk. We did get this desk from Target. I absolutely love it. It just matches my newer home decor style, and it was really simple and affordable, and that was kind of a number one thing for me is affordability. I wanted to do this, somewhat budget friendly and still make it really, really nice. What I'm doing here is just going ahead and laying all of the pieces out that we're going to be putting together, just so we can follow along the instructions a lot easier by seeing everything that we have.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
So I don't know about you guys, but I got so excited that I even posted on my stories and in my community tab how excited I was to do this transformation in this space, because I was working with a blank canvas, and it just makes it so much easier just to kind of see your vision come to life. So make sure you stay till the end so you can see the before and after and the transformation of this space. And I always enjoy reading your guys' thoughts and your comments down below in the comments, so make sure you comment before you leave.
Yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel.
So because our rug was kind of curling up like that, I went ahead and just bent it the opposite way, and then my husband went ahead and vacuumed over it just to kind of get it flat until it really relaxes over the course of the days.
And you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
So now that we're done building the furniture, we are going to start decorating the space, which is my favorite part. And I went ahead and got these hexagon wood shelves from Amazon. They were super affordable and they just mount right on your wall. And I got those so I can hold my essential oils in them. And I have 3 of them. They came in a pack of 3, so the third one will go upstairs with me because we also diffuse oils upstairs. So I recently found this company called Small Wood, and they create custom wood photos, signs, and more. And I'm absolutely in love with them, you guys. They were nice enough to give my subscribers a 30% off coupon to use until March 8th. So definitely go check them out. I will have their link down below along with the coupon code Lindsey30, and I'll be showing you guys how everything turned out at the end. So I did get this little organizer from Target's home office space, and it was super affordable, and I thought it was perfect in this space. I really love the color of it and the simplicity of it. I was searching for the perfect throw that would be warm and cozy while I edited at night, and something that's also stylish but affordable. So I did find this one over at Target, and I'm really, really happy with it. So one of the things I learned from one of my best friends, Emily, or Mama from Scratch as you may know her, is to really step back and look at your space so you can kind of see how everything fits together. You want everything to balance out just right. So that's kind of what I'm doing here, playing around with the decor pieces and just seeing how everything looks and fits together. So I did go ahead and pick up this soft fabric basket from Target. I wanted it to be soft just because I'm going to be putting like valuables in there, all of my YouTube related equipment, so my camera and all kinds of like breakables and things. So I wanted to make sure that it was just safe and secure in there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some inspiration from it, some ideas. I really enjoyed creating this video for you guys and just sharing with you guys what I'm doing with my home this year. I'm really pleased with the results. It took me a lot of time to figure out the style that I wanted to do and just make everything kind of match and flow together, and I'm really pleased with the outcome. I feel like the home is just more calm and fresh and peaceful, and I really love this look. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please comment down below any comments or suggestions, video requests, anything, or just say hi. Also, don't forget to check out the description box. I'll have the links to all the products down there along with the coupon code for you guys to check out smallwoodhome.com. I'll see all of you guys later. Bye.